In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use shaders without Optifine. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you the simple process of setting up any shader packs that is compatible with Optifine without actually using it. This is going to be especially useful if you have a mod pack which is incompatible with Optifine. So as you can see, I have shaders active, and all that you have to do to set this up is download a specific mod. I recommend going over to the CurseForge website. You will be able to find this mod, Iris Shaders by CoderBot. So look for Iris Shaders on Google by CoderBot and access the CurseForge website. In here, you will be able to download this mod, and as you can see, it uses either Fabric or Quilt. So choose whichever mod loader you prefer and then the specific game version. So pay attention to the game version that you are using on your mod pack. Or if you are just doing it standalone, you will also be able to download Iris Shaders without downloading any other additional mod. I'm only assuming that most people who are doing this are going to be using a lot of mods together. So once you download Iris, it is going to be a jar file. All that you have to do now is navigate your mods folder. If you are using CurseForge, click on the specific mod pack that you wish to install, Iris 2, and at the right side of the mod pack, you will be able to click these three dots and then open folder. This will take you to the folder of the specific mod pack that you selected. Of course, if you aren't using a mod pack, just go over to your installation folder and access the mods folder. In here, just drag and drop the specific Iris jar file that you've downloaded. So I already have it here, and as long as it is inside of the mods folder, you will then be able to run the mod pack or just your standalone installation of Minecraft, and as long as Iris is detected, the next time you go over to the video settings, you will be able to find this button, Shader Packs. Click here and then go into Open Shader Pack folder. You will then be able to install all of your shader packs inside of here. Choose whichever one you wish to use from the list, click Apply, and you will be good to go. You can change all of the settings about the shader packs, and they are going to work flawlessly even without Optifine. So this is all you have to do. They are compatible with most mod packs which are using Quilt or Fabric, and like I said, you can also do a standalone installation if you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to use shaders without Optifine. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.